Okay, introducing Dr. Bobo's fanned ski holder panel. There it is. Holds 4 pairs of skis, including these large powder skis on the bottom that actually fit under the cabinet but don't interfere with the cabinet operation. And I've just got a bungee. We'll see how that goes. And the poles are going to fit up there. This whole rack will hold all of this gear. And here's the handle. And it's on a drawer. So this is going to be hard with one hand. Let's see, I'm going to reach down and flip this. Okay, there we go. And now we just pull it out. So there it is extended. You can get to all of them. And that's it. Let's see, what else can I say about it? Oh, it's on a 500-pound capacity slider, drawer slider. On the top, I've got simple felt guides. And when it's hung all the way out, it is a little waggy. So we're gonna have to be careful and see how it goes. But that's the idea. And here I'll just flip this lever and push it back in. All right. Okay. Goes back in. Snaps in place. We're ready to hit the road.